Hey guys, so I have a 2013 Ford Explorer gauge cluster here powered up on the bench. As you can see, the right side LCD display is not working. We're starting to see more and more of these come to our shop. Basically, we just need to replace that LCD display. Alright, so let's get this thing apart. I already got the four T10 Torx removed. A little pry tool here. Work the back loose. Take the speedometer gauge needle off. Now we could lay it down. Don't pull straight out. To kind of lift up a little bit and then pull out. Kind of lift up and then out. Now you gotta remove the circuit board. And there it is. Alright, so a reason why we had to remove the circuit board was to get the screws off the display. So we're working on replacing the right side display, which is right here. It is a T8 Torx. There's the display. It's where there's a little dent in it. Should be fine. There's a lot of space between here and the circuit board. Carefully wiggle that out. Alright, so before I reinsert everything, I'm going to test it, make sure that I have the calibration correct on the speedometer, and then I'll go ahead and reassemble the entire thing. Alright, so as you can see here, the speedometer gauge needle is not on 0. So I'm going to show you that here. I'm going to shut it off, it's going to reset, and then go back up. Just going to remove it. Alright, that's it for this one. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Make sure there's no dust. And cover it up. This one's ready to go. This is a common issue on Explorers, Escapes, Ford Focus, Ford Fusion, Ford F-150. Pretty sure we see it on every Ford model, possibly not the Mustang. Not 100% sure about that one, but we do see it on a lot of Ford models, and they do use this display, or there's another style, another version. So if you have this issue, visit our website. I'll have links in the video description to our repair services, and also to where you can purchase this display from us. So yeah, that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching.